She
has been facing challenges. Things were really hard for her. She did not even have a shelter to live in, a food to eat. Sometimes they could eat only once in 2 days. They did not even have blankets. Her children would just go and sleep like that without anything to cover themselves. Nothing to eat. In 2 days they could eat only once, or the children would just go and eat wild food like wild fruits and so on from the bush. Then they come back and sleep. I used to feel so bad.
And now,
I could try my best. I could grow little. It could get over. Then when it is over, I would start depending on wild food, wild greens. When dry season comes, that is the time when I have nothing completely. Sometimes I beg people to give my children what to eat, so that my children rather eat something, even if for me I just sleep hungry, I would not mind. I used to have only 1 jerrycan, 7 liters. Only 1 saucepan. No grains in the house, nothing completely. The health condition for my children and for myself was really bad. The hygiene was not even okay. Then Alison came. Then she started sharing with me. She asked me a lot of questions and we exchanged a lot of things. Then she started counseling me. She started advising me what I can do. Then she asked me if possible to look for a people of my category, and we share what we can do to improve onto our livelihood. She told us, why don't you try also village saving? And now, as we told you people that last year we shared 3 million plus, it did not just come from somewhere. It was something that Alison initiated. Today that we are looking like this, we used not to look like this. It's because someone woke us up, and that was Alison. Really, God has His own way. I didn't know someone would just come one day like that and come and rescue us from our situation. Our situation has changed just because of Alison's advice and encouragement, and we are very grateful for that. Today I'm even extremely happy to see new faces. I'm extremely happy. Just the way you're looking at all of us. At least there is improvement and we are happy. At least we can smile these days, unlike those days. You could rarely have smile, but these days you can smile anyhow, you can laugh anyhow. Okay.
I think it's one fun to try. I come better now. But should much care me. I should go again. I
managed to pay our children to school. As children are now school going, I am like those days when they could not afford education. The children are going to school. Just as a result of the savings, she managed to buy goats. Now she's rearing goats. She's very happy. Someone uplifted her from somewhere. Now she's free. Those days she was not free. She was somewhere, stuck somewhere. Those days I used not to have a vision. I used not to dream. But now as I speak, I'm very happy. I'm planning to save so that by next year I have my iron sheets, I lay bricks, I go into permanent buildings. Unlike those days when I used not to, even to have a shelter to sleep in. Tuma?